Okay, hello guys, welcome back. And this is the group main number one in MSB. Low voltage side installation is going on. New cabling, number shape, changing new cable. Its penetration you can see, and inspection is going on after installation. This is 440 panel number one. You can see the feeder panel number one. All inspection is going on after installation new cables. Checking all installations, cables, cable ties, screwing or bolts, any insulation damage. This is a group 2, feeder pan group 2, and also the same thing going on change. The new cable because of the cable damage, so we changed the all cables. You can see this all is actually new cable and new penetration already sealed by this special cement. This is the MSC 440 side. This is low voltage actually. This is the high voltage strip 6006 kV. So, okay, guys, thank you very much for watching the movies. And if you like this, please subscribe to the channel. And I will try to bring this new movie.